Mnogi veliki tehnološki divovi su nestali jednostavno zato što su pogrešno tumačili budućnost. Budućnost nam se čini na neki način jednostavna, ali ona je užasno kompleksna, jer uključuje kompletnu digitalnu transformaciju društva.
Obetajo se nam torej velike spremembe družbe, ki jih bodo sicer sprožile nove tehnologije, a seveda nikakor ne bo šlo brez drznih uporabnikov teh novitet.
Do people get not just excited, but on the other hand scared when you talk about digitalization, about autonomous driving, about letting the car do the self by its own?
I think it depends on how you present it. If you present it from a human perspective, our cars of today are really taking actually those steps because we are doing a lot of other things than driving. We are texting, we are talking, with somebody on video or whatever in the car, and people are doing that, and the legislation is doing job on that because the people's behavior are a bit dangerous in the cars. We are doing what we can to have the car helping out. The way we approach it is that the car should add value. Our cars is there to support. But of course, if you drag that out to really when a car should take a decision that is today a human decision, then it's of course more difficult.
Preden se bo torej zgodila zamenjava voznikov s stroji, bo preteklo še mnogo takšnih konferenc, kot je bila ljubljanska Cutting Edge of Digital Mind. Imeli bomo dovolj časa, da se na novo dobo pripravimo, kajti stroji bodo zamenjali nekaj zelo fascinantnega.
First of all, it's amazing that we have such a brain that allows us to drive so safely or so fast, because I see sometimes the races, and it's amazing that this brain is capable of all this technique and skill.
Is it more the left or the right side?
A big part is played by the cerebellum. The cerebellum is the small brain we have in the back, and it is responsible for getting the stimuli from the external world and turning it into action. Very fast action, very fast reaction in order to deal with what happens in front of us. Actually, if you think about it, what makes you an expert driver is driving automatically but fantastically. If you start thinking about it, you decrease the ability to react fast. So it's all automatic, of course, based on how your brain learned to have this skill.
So roboti boljši kirurgi, kot smo ljudje? Bodo roboti boljši vozniki, kot smo navadni ljudje?
Roboti jesu definitivno bolji u djelatnostima u kojima ih naučimo raditi. Ali ne mogu se mjeriti s ljudima u općoj inteligenciji. Ne trebamo se bojati dominacije robota, to je definitivno. Oni nikada neće biti, barem ne u sagledivoj budućnosti.
One of the most important issues generally with AI and machines adopting human behavior is the issue of agent. Being an agent means you have the will to decide and to change your behavior. Everything that we do as humans, every single millisecond, there is an intention. Some of this intention we know, some is completely subconscious, most of it actually subconscious. And we have developed even ways through evolution to detect each other's intention, so for me to respond appropriately to your intention. What about AI? What about autonomous cars? What is going to be their decision-making process? What kind of agency, responsibility for taking very, very important life-saving or life-threatening decisions?
Čovjek je naučen da donosi odluke samostalno i da poduzima akcije, djelovanje na temelju tih odluka. Umjetna inteligencija kompletno mijenja našu poziciju u tom smislu, pa tako i našu kulturu. Morate znati da mi koristimo često metode koje nisu potpuno u našim rukama. To su različite evolucijske metode umjetnoj inteligenciji koje se razvijaju bez naše pune kontrole. Mi u stvari ne znamo kako će se robot ponašati. Mi u stvari znamo djelomično očekivano ponašanje. Iza toga leži upravo nešto što njegovu autonomiju diže na jednu novu razinu i dakako i rizike koji iza toga stoje.
If we program the car to take these decisions and the action is proven wrong because all AI is probabilistic. It works on the probability that something will happen. It's never 100%. Who is going to be held accountable?
In spet se dotaknemo že večkrat omenjene dileme, kam naj se v primeru neizogibne nesreče zaleti avtonomni avtomobil, v zid ali v otroka.
There are some people from the car industry that say we make cars, we care about the driver, or we sell cars, so my main responsibility is to save the life of the driver. But if this happens and the car hits the kids and then there is investigation and the kids could be saved, who is going to jail? The driver? The car? The engineers that created the algorithm? Very soon machines will be taking these very important decisions as humans. And for me, this is the biggest problem of AI. What is the intention of the machine? And who is going to decide what is the intention of the machine?
And the calculation of morals, of
Exactly.
the justice system that
Correct.
comes with this, and yeah, the choice that.
I mean, we don't even know how we do it. We of course, we have neuroscience now it has developed unbelievably the last 20 years because of technology. We can see the brain, but there are so many unknowns. So if we don't know how we make these decisions, how are we going to? So maybe we are going ahead of ourselves, but fortunately or unfortunately, humankind, when it could do something, it does it, regardless if it is good or bad.
Pred nami so torej dolga leta raziskav, ki pa se ne morejo zgoditi brez nabiranja praktičnih izkušenj. Da se bo namreč znala umetna inteligenca odločati hipno in pravilno, jo moramo soočiti z dovolj situacijami. Drzno je nekoč komentiral slavni igralec Ashton Kutcher: ko se bo avtonomni avto zaletel, ta nesreča ne bo zaman. Podatki bodo namreč preprečili vse nadaljne takšne nesreče. Toda kdo bo pomagal strojem pridobivati izkušnje? Nekdo bo moral sesti v avto in spustiti volan. A kako lahko avtomobilska podjetja voznikom vlijajo zaupanje, da je njihova inteligenca že dovolj izkušena, da lahko v izbranih prometnih situacijah že zdaj spustijo nadzor nad vožnjo? Prvi pogoj je, da zagotoviš varnostno dobro zasnovan avto. Nato pa?
We need to put people in our products and they need to train on them, because if you're not familiar with one of those systems, for example, and pilot assist systems, you need to understand and you need to train on them. So it's a little bit like almost getting to understand a new language. It's experience and maybe some guiding also.
That's exactly what you did. You provided cars to the families.
Yeah, you talk about the Drive Me project now. We want to have real-life experience also from our products, and then we get insights from those families. So it's a fairly new project, and I'm looking forward to get the insights from this project.